Good morning, students. Let's begin with third term, chapter 9, Karate Parrot. So now let's start with the chapter. First of all, about the author. He is Nicholas Horsburgh. So he is an ELT expert, educational consultant and resource person. After completing his higher studies abroad, he worked in India in close association with his father, David Horsburgh. He is even author of this book, that is Oxford English book. So now let's come to the story. The story Karate Parrot is about a wonder parrot. Wonder parrot means it may be having some unique qualities that knows. Now this parrot, it knows karate. It is very funny prose written by Nicholas Horsburgh. The story starts with the central character Sunil. So the story, it starts with the central character who is Sunil, who reached to the Mobby's cafe on his crutches to meet his friends Anil and Bala after a long time. When they asked him about his absence for a long time and the broken foot, he started narrating an unbelievable story which was perfectly true while enjoying his coffee. He told that now he wanted to tell that incredible story to them. And what was that? That Sunil's wife wanted to have a pet for company. That now he started the story that his wife, she wanted to have a pet for a company because she was fond of them. She was fond of pets, but due to lack of space in their flat, they could not keep a dog or a cat as pets because all children were grown up and they left home. She was terribly lonely and badly needed a company to avoid her loneliness. And one day, when she went to the market, she walked into a strange little pet shop. She explained her problem to the shop owner and he suggested her to buy a parrot. At first, she hesitated to buy a parrot, but when she heard about its uniqueness, she was thrilled to bits and decided to buy it. As the assistant told and showed that the parrot could do karate on instructions, she excitedly brought the parrot home and gave it a lot of practice for destroying the wooden boxes with a few hefty blows. The parrot loved to do that and was the only reason to break his foot. Whose foot? Sunil's. Then he told the incident of his return to home, and at 7 o'clock he felt a little annoyed to see the parrot in his house. When he inquired about the creature, which creature, that's parrot, Sushmita told about its uniqueness. What was that? That he could do karate. He didn't believe her wife. He thought, how could a parrot can do this karate? And exclaimed, Karate parrot? My foot. Now this is what he said. He exclaimed, Karate parrot, how could he do that? My foot, he cannot. And the parrot immediately attacked his foot. And this way he had a broken foot. Thank you.